Hey there! Today we're going to address a common problem that many people face when dealing with their computers. The problem we're tackling today is the issue of not being able to log into your computer due to a forgotten password. It can be frustrating and stressful when you find yourself locked out of your own device. But fret not, as there is a solution to this pesky problem. Let's talk about the solution now. The best way to regain access to your computer when you've forgotten your password is by utilizing the password reset disk that you created beforehand. By inserting the password reset disk into your computer and following the on-screen instructions, you'll be able to reset your password and gain access to your system once again. This simple solution can save you a lot of time and hassle. In addition to using a password reset disk, another solution you can try is using the built-in password reset feature in your operating system. By answering security questions or verifying your identity through other means, you can reset your password and regain access to your computer in no time. These solutions are designed to help you overcome the frustration of being locked out of your device. In summary, forgetting your computer password can be a real headache, but with the right tools and know-how, you can easily regain access to your system. Whether you use a password reset disk or utilize the built-in password reset feature, there are solutions available to help you get back into your computer. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your favorite tech fail moment. Thanks for watching.